Welcome to the topic theoretical distribution. Students, in today's session, I'm going to explain binomial distribution. So let us start. Definition: if x is a discrete random variable with PMF p of x is equal to ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x, where x takes the values 0, 1, so on up to n. P lies between 0 and 1. Q is equal to 1 minus of P. Then X is a binomial variate. The distribution of X is called binomial distribution. Students, binomial distribution has n independent Bernoulli trials. Here n is finite and fixed. See students, so what is the difference between Bernoulli and binomial? Bernoulli has range only 0 and 1, either success or failure. Here in binomial distribution, range is n and also it is finite. Okay, the PMF of Bernoulli is p of x is equal to p raised to x q raised to 1 minus x. The PMF of binomial is p of x is equal to ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. See students, one of the important result, if x1, x2, so on up to xn are independently and identically distributed Bernoulli variates with common parameter p, then their sum x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus 1 after xn is a Bernoulli variate with parameters n and p. Students, for example, see here, if x1, when x1 means when tossing a coin first time, it may head, means success, right? The probability of success is 0.5. Again second time, when you toss a coin, it may tail, means failure, 0. Here also the probability of success is 0.5. So like this, so up to xn times. So when we add these values, right, x1 plus x2 plus xn is a binomial variate with parameters n and p. Okay. Examples of binomial variate. So first example, number of heads obtained in 4 tosses of a coin. See students, it's an example for binomial distribution. See, in this example, range of n is 4. So this means how many times we are tossing a coin? So 4 times we are tossing a coin. So we are observing how many times heads will occur. But the experiment is repeated how many times? 4 times. So that is n is equal to 4. Second example, number of male children in a family of 2 children. Okay. Students, we are observing number of male children in a family of 2 children. So this means here also range of n is 2. Third example, number of bombs hitting a target when 4 bombs are aimed at it. Students, number of bombs hitting a target when 4 bombs are aimed at it. So this means how many times experiment is repeated? 4 times. Trial is repeated 4 times. So this means we have n range of n is 4. So 4 times we will drop a bomb. First time we will drop a bomb, second time, third time. Okay, we don't know when it will hit a target. So this means 4 times the trial is repeated. So this means range of n is 4. Fourth one, number of defective articles in a random sample of 6 articles drawn from a manufactured lot. So students, number of defective articles in a random sample of 6 articles drawn from a manufactured lot. See here. So how many samples we are selecting? Total 6 samples we are selecting out of 6. So this means range of n is 6. We don't know out of 6 articles how many are defective. 1 may defective, 2 are defective, 3 are defective. Okay, but the exponent is repeated how many times? N is equal to range of n is 6. Okay, students, next concept is features or properties of binomial distribution. The first important property is, so parameters of binomial distributions are n and p. So parameters in binomial distributions total two parameters. One is small n and small p. And second feature, range of binomial distribution is x is equal to 0, 1, 2, so on up to n. For a binomial distribution, the PMF is P of x is equal to NCx P raised to x Q raised to n minus x, where x takes the values 0, 1, 2, so on up to n. P lies between 0 and 1, and Q is 1 minus of P, and we know that P plus Q is equal to always 1. The fourth feature is, students, for a binomial distribution, mean is NP, E of x is equal to NP, variance V of x is NPQ, and standard deviation, you know what is the formula of standard deviation? Root of variance of x. So standard deviation of binomial is root of NPQ, because variance is NPQ, so root of NPQ. Mean is NP, variance is NPQ, standard deviation is root of NPQ. Then what is the mean of Bernoulli? Mean is P, variance is PQ, and standard deviation is root of PQ. In binomial distribution, mean is greater than variance. In binomial distribution, mean is greater than variance. The sixth property is, the mean and mode are equal if NP is an integer. Sixth property is, the mean and mode are equal if NP is an integer. See, friends, integer is a number without the decimal point. The seventh one, if P is equal to Q is equal to half, P and Q are half, the binomial distribution is symmetrical, that is beta 1 is equal to 0. Symmetrical means balanced. One of the important feature of binomial distribution is, the binomial distribution tends to Poisson distribution. So when binomial distribution tends to Poisson distribution, under these conditions binomial distribution tends to Poisson distribution. So the conditions are, small n tends to infinity and p tends to 0, and np is equal to lambda, that is constant, means fixed. Okay, under these conditions binomial distribution tends to Poisson distribution. Friends, many times this question is repeated. This can be asked for 2 marks. Under what conditions binomial distribution tends to Poisson distribution? When n tends to infinity, means n is large and p is small, and np is equal to lambda, that is constant. And the 11th feature, students, the binomial distribution tends to normal distribution when n tends to infinity and pq are almost equal. So students, this is also important. This question is also repeated many times. When binomial distribution tends to normal distribution, or under what conditions binomial distribution tends to normal distribution? The conditions are, first condition is when n is large or n tends to infinity and pq are almost equal. These conditions binomial distribution tends to normal distribution. Students, these are the important features of binomial distribution. Students, you have to remember these features when you solving the examples on binomial distribution. So let us solve the problems on binomial distribution, students. Okay, first example, in a binomial distribution, if n is equal to 6 and p is equal to 1 by 3, find mean, variance and standard deviation. Students, the binomial distribution, n is given. Students, first you observe what is given and what you have to find out. Here two parameters are given. Range of n is 6 and probability p is 1 by 3. So here we have to find mean, variance and standard deviation. As you know, the formula of mean is np, variance is NPQ, and standard deviation is root of NPQ. Okay, write the given thing, students. P is 1 by 3. So this means with the help of P value we can find the Q value. So Q means 1 minus of P. So 1 minus of P means P is 1 by 3. 1 minus of 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. So P is 1 by 3, Q is 2 by 3. So mean of binomial is NP. Students, now you substitute the values. Range of N is 6 and probability P is 1 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. So the mean is E of X is equal to 2. So then variance. So what is the formula of variance of X in binomial distribution? Variance of X is NPQ. Students, now substitute the values of NPQ. Range of N is 6, P is 1 by 3 and Q value is 2 by 3. Friends, after solving this, variance of X is 1.33. Okay, so then standard deviation. So standard deviation of binomial distribution is root of NPQ. Now substitute the value, students. N is 6, P is 1 by 3 and Q is 2 by 3. So after multiplying this, the answer is 1.33. So root of 1.33 becomes, the standard deviation is 1.1547. So friends, these are the mean, variance and standard deviation. Let us take the second example, friends. So very important question. Many times these type of questions are repeated. So just read out the question. If a binomial distribution has mean 3 and variance 2, find the parameters. Friends, first try to understand the question here. So in a binomial distribution, mean 3 and variance 2, find the parameters. So mean is given and variance is given directly. So this means in this question, we have to find the parameters. So what are the parameters of binomial distribution? Small n, probability of P. Okay, NPQ values we have to find. Solution. Students, write the given things. Given NP is equal to 3 and NPQ is equal to 2. So this means mean of binomial is NP, that is given 3, and variance means NPQ. So variance is 2. With the help of this, we have to find the values of NP and Q. Students, dividing variance by mean. So that is variance is NPQ divided by NP. So this becomes variance is 2 given and mean is 3. So solving this, see here NP and NP get cancels. What remains? Q. NP get cancels, Q remains. So this means Q value is 2 by 3. If Q is 2 by 3, then find the value of P. P means 1 minus of Q. So 1 minus of 2 by 3. 1 minus of 2 by 3 is 1 by 3. So therefore, with the help of Q value, P value is 1 divided by 3. So next, now substitute the value of P in NP. So this means we have to find the value of N. So now substitute the value of P in NP. We know NP is equal to 3. It is already given. So this means P, we know P value. P value is 1 by 3. Substitute the P value. So P is 1 divided by 3. Cross multiply this. 3 3s are 9. So therefore, N is equal to 9. Okay, students, the parameters are P is 1 by 3, Q is 2 by 3, then range of N is 9. Okay, students, with this, in the next class, I am going to solve some more examples on theoretical distribution. Thank you, students.